In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate images from text using Grok AI. Okay, so let's say I'm on my Grok and I have just prompting this prompt: draw astronauts on the surface of the moon having a picnic in space suits. Okay, so take a look at what it has generated for me within just 14 seconds. Let's take a look at what it has generated. They are truly having a picnic on the space, and take a look at the suits they are wearing, all of them. It's very, very clear, and you can download any of them directly very easily, and you can see it over here. It's been downloaded for you to use. Take a look at the quality and the clarity of the image, and they are really, really having a feast on the moon. So this is the first tweet. As I gave it a second prompt: generate the image of a lion drinking coffee in a bar, wearing a hat and sunglasses, with a cute cat sitting by its side. Okay, so take a look at what it has given me as well. Very clear and very detailed, but this one, it includes the previous picture as well in it. But the clarity is what actually captivate my attention. Take a look at the cat. Also, it is wearing sunglasses, and both of them are enjoying it, even though it's only the lion that is enjoying the coffee. But the idea is it gives in the images, and it's very, very fast. Can you give me the image of a cat in space wearing the suit and enjoying Coca-Cola? Okay, so let's see whether this is going to generate for me very, very quickly or not. Take a look at the cat. It is really enjoying a Coca-Cola and wearing the suit. Look at it, and it's really on the space and enjoying the Coca-Cola. This is really, really wonderful, and you can download it and share. So this is just an idea into the fact that you can use Grok to generate images completely free of charge. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.